morning and namaste everyone. Today is 26th of December and I'll show you the view of what I see right now. This view is exactly behind our room. Yesterday it was very dark, so I could not see anything. Basically there is a lake behind. If you see, you can see the water right there. It's all water, so it's cool. This is the hotel that we are staying. I mean, the room is very nice. If anybody is coming this side, then this hotel is good to go. Basically, we have halted at Bilaspur, which is some kilometers from Chandigarh. So from here, we'll be heading to our main destination, which is another 4 kilometers from here. So our plan for the day is getting fresh, reaching the destination, and whatever comes in between, we will just enjoy the place and move further. Not exactly decided that this is gonna be our plan for the day, but how it goes. If we see something around which is cool or good to go, we will just stop, see, and then move further. So it's 7:30 around. We'll get ready, we'll see what the others are doing, and accordingly move together. So be with me. So our breakfast is here, which is paratha and pickle. So I'm sure it will be tasty also. So I'm all ready, decked up for the day. Had breakfast, it was yummiest because the taste was something different apart from what aloo paratha that we eat. So it was very tasty actually. So I'm decked up for the day, wearing thermals. It's very cold, not very cold as what it was in the morning, but yeah, I'm feeling much warmer now. And waiting for the others to get ready. They're taking bath. It's around 10 o'clock now around. So we'll get ready and we'll leave to our final destination. We'll let you know exactly where we are going. The place is beautiful. I'll explain about it, and be with me and keep watching. So we are finally moving to our final destination. It's 11 o'clock in the morning and we are done. We are leaving and we'll be reaching in another 3-4 hours, I guess. So waiting for the final destination. You too keep watching and be with me. We somehow fit in all the luggage behind and we have space to move our legs. Thanks to Gitanjali for it. She did it finally somehow. So we are comfortable and good to go. So it's 2 in the afternoon and we have taken a quick break to a small temple here, and we'll just wait for another 2-5 minutes and we'll move further. Our destination is another 1.5 hour maximum. The roads have patches of bad roads, but it's cool, prettier and beautiful weather. So I'm enjoying it. This dog here is pregnant. She's gonna have babies.
पहाड़ पे आए हो तो मैगी तो बनता है बॉस।
Tucked away in the quiet town of Baijnath in Himachal Pradesh stands one of India's most fascinating ancient temples, the Baijnath Temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, worshipped here as Vaidyanath, the Lord of Healing. For centuries, devotees have believed that prayers offered here brings relief from illness and pain. What makes Baijnath truly special is its age. The temple was built in 1204 CE, and that's not a guess. Stone inscription on its wall clearly record the year and the names of its builders. The temple is a stunning example of Nagara style North Indian design. The tall stone shikhara, details, carving, and perfectly balanced structure have survived earthquakes, weather, and the time itself. The temple sits beside the Bane River, adding to its calm and spiritual atmosphere. The sound of flowing water, the mixed with temple bells, creates an experience that feels almost timeless. Unlike many ancient temples, Baijnath is still very much alive. Rituals, prayers, and festivals like Mahashivratri are celebrated here with great devotion. Baijnath Temple isn't just a monument. It's a place where history, faith, and architecture comes together, standing strong for over 800 years. So finally, we'll be staying here after searching and hunting for hotels at reasonable price. We finally found this homestay where this room is gonna be ours on the second floor. So let's go and check out how is the room. So finally, we have got the hotel, and now there's a fighting. Now we're actually fighting for rooms. People are fighting for the rooms. They're taking our bags and going, and they're literally fighting for our rooms. No, this is not fair. No, this is ours. We are not moving. The rooms are pretty.
All five of us will sleep here.
So
Where do you
it's nice. So after getting a little fresh, now we are going to the main place to have some food because we did not eat our lunch today. So we all are very, very, very hungry, and it's quite cold. Due to cold also you feel hungry. So we are going to eat. We just got fresh, and now we are going to eat something and just roam around and come back to room. So let's leave. So the name of this is Shanta Sapna Homestay, which is quite affordable, 800 per night. So it's quite good. They have the parking space also here. So it's affordable and reasonable for everybody. So do check in if you come to the place that I'll be revealing tomorrow. We're always lucky to have animals around us, as even the animals know that we love them. So let's go to eat something along with the doggo. So after discussing what to have, we are finally having something called as Siddhu. So let's try that, and we are having Maggi and paratha. So very hungry, so just waiting for the food which was close by. So let's eat quickly and go for a round. The day was quite good. Traveling for the first time after a very long time. I don't know, I was really struggling with the car because I don't know whether it was the roads or myself because I was exhausted. I was feeling pukish. So I don't know. The traveling was not so good by car for me today. I don't know why. It's been a very long time. It used to happen before, but I don't know. All of a sudden again it started. So don't know why. So let's have. I'm very hungry. So let's have snacks and again go around and again have. करना क्या है, सिर्फ खाना ही है और क्या करना है और मज़े करने हैं. So let's do that. So we are having Maggie first, which is a soupy Maggie, and as told by him, it's very spicy. I heard. So let's try, eat it, and review it. So now we are having the paratha. So this is something called siddu, which is on a spicier side. Yes. So let's taste that. So we are back to our rooms and we did not eat anything much. We did not eat again actually. We went for a round and we came back. A good day. Thinking of sleeping, it's around 10 o'clock. Thinking of sleeping, but I'm sure that does not happen in any travel, I believe. So let's see what we do now. Let's get changed and then decide what to do, whether we sleep or we chit chat or whatsoever.
So after that we played and then I forgot to vlog as I was tired. So see you in the next vlog.